Hi. Yesterday we explored the idea of equality. We saw that math gives us a way to recognize when two things that look different are actually the same. A certain number of laps equals a 5K, or 4 quarters equals $1. A certain number of meters actually equals a certain number of miles. And even when the conversion is not obvious at first, we can usually find a way to make the relationship work. Now today, I would like to show you a situation where the intuition completely breaks down. Imagine a circular track with a diameter of 100 meters, a perfect circle. Now the diameter is simply the distance across the circle through its center. And now let's ask a question that is similar to yesterday's questions. How many diameters equal one trip around the circle? Now, in math, we refer to the distance around a circle as its circumference. And the relationship is actually simple. Circumference equals pi times the diameter. And since pi is about 3.14, one trip around the circle is a little more than 3 diameters. So far, nothing unusual. But now let's ask the same kind of question that we asked yesterday. If I keep going around the track, will I eventually find a whole number of circumferences that equals a whole number of diameters? Now, for miles and meters, the answer is yes. For quarters and dollars, the answer is yes. For tablespoons and cups, the answer is yes. But for a circle, the answer is no. Never. No matter how many times you go around the track, and no matter how large the circle becomes, you will never find a whole number of circumferences that exactly equals a whole number of diameters. The ancient Greeks call this idea incommensurable. And what it means is that the two distances have no common measuring stick. And to me, that is remarkable. A circle is one of the simplest shapes we can imagine. And yet, hidden inside is a relationship that can never be perfectly reconciled. The circumference and diameter are forever linked, yet never fit together exactly. And that mystery is wrapped up in a number we call pi. Well, this week we've explored perspectives. We've climbed mountains and we've moved between viewpoints. We've gone deeper into ideas and we've discovered hidden roots. We've even built a mathematical tool belt, and we've learned to see relationships that were hidden in plain sight. But perhaps one of the greatest gifts math offers is the ability to see the world differently. Sometimes it reveals that two things are equal, and sometimes it reveals that they never can be. And sometimes, as with a circle, that realization opens the door to wonder. And for me, it raises a deeper question. Where did this relationship come from? We humans create systems of measurement, miles and meters, dollars and quarters, tablespoons and cups. And with enough conversions, we can always make them equal. But the relationship between a circle's diameter and circumference is different. We did not invent it, but we discovered it. So perhaps our final perspective for the week is simply this. Why? Why should such a simple shape contain such a beautiful and surprising relationship? And for me, it's questions like that are part of what makes math so fascinating. It's not because math answers every question, but it's because math sometimes points us towards deeper ones. This is Dave from Intersecting Us.